Today we are going to make of the flower watering kit. This is what is. This pump lets you to make. First you put inside the water, and then there is like this thing. Look, there is like this thing, and when it's inside the water goes inside and goes here and waters the water. Then this is a relay that helps it. Is it right or not? When it's red light, it means that it is wrong. When it is green light, it means it's correct. Now, computer model. We use computer model for doing the same thing. For example, ground to the ground. Then the third one, battery. We need battery for making these all things to work. Then we need moisture sensor. This moisture sensor is helpful for flowers. How much long it is, and how much long it is, and this pump will take a water and put a water how much water it does need.
Can you test?
And one more thing, a switch. We need the switch to turn on and turn off. When you turn, we don't need to every day to take this battery on, off. You are just, this is switch and off. You are pressing on and it's working.
Can you test?
Okay. But
Just do a battery.
look. What? It's not working. İçine su dolduracak.
Yo.